Hey, what's going on? Hey, I've got this switch right here, PTO switch, that it still works. So hook up, the leads to it. I'm getting continuity when I switch it on and off. It is pretty old, but here's the push button switch that I just installed. And so I kind of got the safety switches. This right here is not going to be operational. That bail switch, whatever it's for, and then I just got the on-off key switch over here. I got a grounding a few things, and well, ground is to one side of this. One of these leads right here goes to one of these on the PTO switch, and then I got a hot wire coming up from the PTO. I guess it's to be the one with this it's got a 20 amp fuse on it right there. I don't know if you can see that. So that's like the hot wire coming up. Then I got this one here, the other one going to ground underneath the solenoid. So this hot wire comes up here, becomes green, and then this green one comes up into here and goes into that. And I guess that comes out here someplace. Huh. I have to take a look at that. I might have this figured out still, but I got to get power to it. Yeah, I got to get power coming up into that somehow. I'm just not sure how to go about doing this. So I've got two wires coming from the PTO. I need to get power to there, and then a couple wires coming up to the switch. I'm just not really much of an electrician, but yeah, it's kind of a mess looking right now. So anyways, yeah, here's this green wire is the one with the fuse on it. Kind of loops around here. Looks like it comes back out and goes to here, actually. So I probably have to kind of relook at these things. I just don't know how to wire this up to get the PTO to work. I know it works. When I put 12 volts on it, it just clicks. So I'm just hoping that'll I can figure out the wiring. Anyways, I'm not making much sense. Sorry.